to knock. Hey guys! Welcome to my Christmas room tour. Come in. Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm going to be giving you guys a Christmas room tour. It has changed quite a bit from last year's, and there are like maybe 3 things that are the same. Let's go. Let me just show you this room. First off, when you come in, there's the wreath. Not the same wreath it was last year because, as some of you may know, last year's wreath was made out of paper, and paper doesn't age well. So my Mimi had this in her garage, and she gave it to me, and it matches my color scheme. Very cute, very magical. It has lights in it, but I can't use them because this is how short the cord is. Moving on, here's the bookshelf. There's nothing Christmassy about this. I might need to do something about that in the future. So this is my bookshelf. I bought my bookshelf for this little ballerina. I bought all this for this, but it was worth it. Up here I have some books and then a few decorations. I think all of the Christmas decorations up here came from Target, and then I just printed these out. These are vintage Disney Christmas cards, and then I have my Airedale Aqua Minnie Mouse ears because moving on, we have the cork boards. This is the first time that I've been able to like use these cork boards to their full potential. Of course, I will put the triplets on there. If you guys don't know who the triplets are, they're my baby cousins and they're my world. Look at these beautiful children. So this is Liam, this is Rowan, and this is Chaden, and then up here is all 3 of them. But it says, all I want for Christmas is you. It's so true. And then I have 2005 right here, not 2005.
My bad.
A lot of people are very confused by that, but I was born in 2005. That's what's there. And then my calendar this year is like Cinderella themed, so I think that's really cute. Right here's my chair. I got this from Sam's Club, I want to say last year. And then I have this pillow. Turn around backwards because this is not who I am anymore. So I have this yellow pillow that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then this Santa pillow that came from Walmart. I got this Santa pillow this year. I really love it. I think it's a nice little addition to the room. And then we'll come over to the tree. I got this tree at Big Lots. It's been probably like 4 or 5 years. It's got pink and white lights on it this year. It's a nice little girly tree. I love it so much. And then I have this new tree skirt I got from Hobby Lobby. All of these little ones like this and like the teal ones, they all came from Walmart. The waffle came from Target. The camera came from Hobby Lobby. The llama came from Walmart. You can't see him, he's hiding down here. But I have Rudolph, the Santa from Rudolph, and then Clarice. And these all were my grandmother's, I think. And then this is an ornament from the Nutcracker in the 4 Realms. She's a little ballerina. That's the tree. I really love it this year. It turned out really nice. I have no idea where the star is from. It's probably older than I am. So right here, I have my letterboard. This is what I'm using this year as my Christmas countdown. Last year it was like the marquee box, but this year I decided to use the letterboard because I just feel like it fits the room aesthetic a little bit more. You've seen the door before. Please ignore the mirror. I don't want to clean my mirror today. Sorry. Back here I have all these pictures. These are from the Thomas Kincaid Disney calendar. I love these. And then right here I have my 30th anniversary poster from Hollywood Studios because we were there on the 30th anniversary. I love Disney. And then right here is my dresser. I want to say this dresser is from Wayfair or either Walmart. I do not remember. And then up here we have my record player in this beautiful blue color. And then I actually have a Christmas record this year. It's Rex Humbard's Christmas Album Volume 2. My mom found it in the basement, but I actually really love it. It's really cool. Over here, I have my bag of hair clips, and then this is my scrunchy claw clip basket. I really like the colors of this. Right here, we have my director's board. I got this for Christmas a few years ago from my aunt and uncle. These 2 pictures, these are actually these pictures. I'll put up a picture of what they look like. This is a picture of a swimming pool, and this is a picture of a phone booth. But I drew these on Procreate, or at least I drew that one on Procreate. This one I painted over on Procreate and then printed them out. That's what we're going with this year. I couldn't find frames and it was a little bit upsetting, but it turned out really great. I did this in my bed at 8 o'clock this morning. So, oh, we can't forget about the candy cane.
My favorite.
Here, I have this ginormous candy cane that I got at Five Below for $5 and it's so gorgeous. This was like an impulse buy. Maybe not the smartest thing I've ever bought in my life. It's got personality. Over here we have my desk and my desk chair and everything. I have my planner right here. I love the cover of this. You guys can see it. This is not room decor, but still it's cute. And then right here we have my llama pencil jar. We're not gonna comment anymore on that. And I also have my little pink tree. I love this so much. I got this tree from Hobby Lobby this year. I got this sand and fog candle from Marshall's. I'm gonna move it so you guys can see the lid. This is the lid to it. And it's so cute. I thought it was really cute, and it's like Christmassy and wintry at the same time. Right here we have this little clipboard, and it has Galatians 6:9 on it. This little nutcracker that my mom bought me, isn't he so cute? His name is Billy. This is Billy the Nutcracker. He's really cool. Now, last but not least, this is always like the showstopper of the room, I feel like. For my bed this year, I did the same thing that I did last year. So this red blanket is from Target. This tinsel, I got this at Family Dollar, I think. This pillow is from Target last year. And then here's the gorgeous photo wall. This here is a photo and snowflake wall, and I love it so much. I changed the colors from all these pictures from what they were originally. I want to say that all these came off of Pinterest. So I got all these pictures off of Pinterest, and then I put them into Procreate and recolored them so that they would all match the color scheme. So it was a little bit time consuming, to say the least. And then I made all these little baby snowflakes. They're so cute. They all have little hearts in them. And then this tinsel, that tinsel is different. It came off of a gift basket that I won like a long time ago. So that's it for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a holly jolly Christmas. Bye. I love you. Let's film this video. I think last year, it's your uncle. Tell him I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there by 3:30. Sorry about that. I don't know, impulses. It's got, we have my letter board. But I'm really glad with how it turned out. Yeah. It's giving. I hate saying that.
Y'all just love Bill and Billy.
Who's Bill?
The gingerbread house. The
You're right. His
snowman.
name is Bill. I'll insert a picture of Bill the Nye, the melty guy. He's something else. Excuse me. Please don't burn me. I need to hide my hairbrush. Excuse me. I'm supposed to film it. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna use that because it's so cringy. No, you fell over. Where should we go next? The wall still? Do you need to know that? No.